Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we'll be showcasing 3 highly effective rosemary recipes that we frequently use to enhance our hair growth. Each recipe is simple and effective with long-lasting results. They not only stimulate your hair growth and improve your scalp health, but they also awaken dormant hair follicles. The first method that we love using to enhance our hair growth is rosemary water. Rosemary water is one of the easiest and the most powerful hair growth hacks. This rosemary water consists of just 3 ingredients: rosemary leaves, which could be dried or fresh, fenugreek seeds, and bay leaves. Rosemary water is known to decrease hair loss, boost your hair growth, and promote your scalp health. It also serves as a treatment to prevent hair fall and treat split ends. When it comes to application, rosemary water should only be sprayed on the scalp of your hair. However, do not wash it out, and you can also apply rosemary oil afterwards. Lastly, don't forget to store it in the fridge and use within 7 to 10 days. The second method that we love using with rosemary is rosemary hair oil. This rosemary hair oil is especially powerful because it consists of a few really potent ingredients. These ingredients are rosemary leaves, which could be dried or fresh, cloves, and fenugreek seeds. The carrier oils we'll be using for this hair oil are extra virgin olive oil, pure almond oil, and coconut oil. rosemary hair oil is really potent for hair growth, but also very good for treating scalp issues. It stimulates hair growth, it stops hair breakage, it strengthens your hair strands, it moisturizes your hair, and it heals your scalp. You can use this oil every 2 to 3 days by gently massaging it into your scalp evenly. It can also be used on the body of your hair and to seal your ends. The third recipe that we love when using rosemary is our rosemary hair butter. The ingredients we used for this hair butter are cloves and rosemary, garlic, ginger. Guys, this hair butter is not only super easy to make, but it's also super effective in growing out and thickening your hair as well. It also helps to heal my scalp issues. This hair butter creates a potent infusion of rosemary that stimulates hair follicles, promotes hair growth. It targets and heals issues like hair loss, bald patches, hair thinning, and it also promotes your scalp health. It also contains conditioning properties to moisturize your hair. butter is perfect for slow hair growth, bald patches, alopecia, dandruff, dry scalp, psoriasis, hair breakage, brittle hair, and hair thinning. So guys, these are the 3 ways we love to use rosemary. Kindly let us know in the comment section if this video has been helpful to you and if you'll be trying out any of these rosemary recipes to enhance your hair growth. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!